System override. Does not compute.
Voice recognition authorized.
Today we're going to talk about something that I've been involved in since 2017, cryptocurrencies. And I got to tell you, the ups and downs of my crypto adventure has been pretty crazy. I've seen it all. And I can't tell you how much money I've made and lost in cryptocurrencies. I've made a lot of mistakes with cryptos, made some money, but if I had $1,000 right now, though, there's a certain way I would spend it. And AI came up with a cool video that we're going to watch right now. Let's see what they came up with, and then I'll show you what my top 5 looks like.
What's up, everybody? It's 5 here, and today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of crypto, looking specifically at 2025. Now imagine this. You've got a cool $1,000 and you're ready to ride the crypto wave. The question is, where do you drop that cash for the best chance of success? We're talking about stability, because let's be real, nobody wants to lose their hard-earned money, but also aggressive growth, because hey, we're here to potentially turn that $1,000 into something significant, right? Finding that sweet spot between playing it safe and going all in on a risky bet, that's the key. And that's exactly what we're breaking down today. We're going to explore 5 cryptos that I believe offer a solid balance of stability and the potential for some serious growth as we head into 2025. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First up at number 5, we've got the OG crypto king itself, Bitcoin. You know it, you might even love it, or love to hate it. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, and it's weathered its fair share of storms. It's like the veteran investor who's seen it all, market crashes, booms, you name it. And yet, it's still standing strong. This resilience is a big reason why Bitcoin is often seen as a safe haven in the crypto world. Yeah, it's had its ups and downs, but it's also consistently bounced back, hitting new all-time highs. Now, past performance isn't a guarantee of future returns, but Bitcoin's track record definitely speaks for itself. If you're looking for a relatively stable bet in the crypto market with the potential for long-term growth, Bitcoin is a solid contender. It's like the reliable stock in your portfolio, the one you can always count on to hold its value. Next at 4, we've got Ethereum, the platform that brought us smart contracts and decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. This isn't just about digital currency, it's about creating a whole new financial system. Think of it like this. Bitcoin is like digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum, on the other hand, is like digital oil. It's what powers a whole ecosystem of applications and possibilities. And Ethereum isn't standing still. They're constantly upgrading and improving their network, with a big focus on scalability. This means handling more transactions faster and more efficiently, which is crucial for wider adoption. So, when you're considering Ethereum, you're not just investing in a cryptocurrency, you're investing in a technology with a massive potential upside. It's like buying into Amazon back in the early 2000s. You're betting on the future of online shopping. Now let's talk speed. If Bitcoin is the reliable grandpa of crypto, and Ethereum is the ambitious older brother, then Solana is the younger sibling who's all about pushing boundaries. This platform is known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and incredibly low fees. We're talking thousands of transactions per second, which puts it way ahead of many other blockchains. But speed isn't Solana's only trick. It's also got a rapidly growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps. From gaming to NFTs, Solana is attracting developers and users who are looking for a fast, efficient, and affordable blockchain to build on. So, if you're looking for a crypto with the potential for aggressive growth, Solana is definitely one to keep your eye on. It's like investing in a tech startup that's poised to disrupt the industry. Let's face it, Ethereum, as awesome as it is, has its limitations. That's where Polygon comes in. Think of Polygon as a trusty sidekick, helping Ethereum overcome its scalability issues and reach its full potential. It's like building a network of high-speed trains to alleviate traffic congestion on a busy highway. Polygon does this by creating what are called Layer 2 solutions, which basically means it handles transactions off of Ethereum's main chain, making everything faster and cheaper. And it's not just about speed and efficiency. Polygon is also attracting a ton of partnerships and integrations. This means more projects and developers are choosing Polygon, which adds to its value and long-term growth potential. So, if you believe in the future of Ethereum but want a more scalable and affordable option, Polygon is definitely worth considering. Last but not least, we have Chainlink as my top pick, a project that's tackling one of the biggest challenges in the crypto space, connecting smart contracts to real-world data. See, right now most blockchains are kind of isolated. They're great at handling data within their own little worlds, but they struggle to interact with the outside world. That's where Chainlink comes in. It acts as a bridge, securely and reliably feeding real-world data into smart contracts. This is huge because it opens up a whole universe of possibilities. Imagine things like insurance policies that automatically pay out when certain conditions are met, supply chains that track products in real time, or even prediction markets that are based on accurate, tamper-proof data. Chainlink is making all of this possible. So if you believe in the power of smart contracts and their potential to revolutionize various industries, Chainlink is a project you need to know about. So there you have it, my top 5 crypto picks for potential explosive growth as we head into 2025. We've got Bitcoin, the OG holding it down, Ethereum, the powerhouse of smart contracts, Solana, the speed demon, Polygon, the scaling solution, and Chainlink, bridging the gap between the blockchain and the real world. Remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you what to do with your money. These are just some of the projects that I find interesting and believe have solid potential. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your top crypto picks for 2025? Drop them in the comments below, let's discuss. And maybe we'll all discover some hidden gems together. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Wow, cool video. I liked it. Lots of cool information there. I like some of those picks. We're going to talk about them. By the way, thanks for bearing with me while I was eating my protein bar. Anyway, let's break this down. You know, AI said Bitcoin. Bitcoin should be in everybody's portfolio. You know, whether it's 10%, 50%. I mean, you should probably make it at least 30 to 40% of your portfolio. It used to be a big part of my portfolio, and then I got a little greedy, but I don't want to dive into that. Ethereum at 4. Listen, Ethereum, it's had its day. It's not in my top 5, and I'll tell you why. It's the gas fees. The speed isn't, you know, close to many of the other cryptos that you're seeing out there. It's expensive just to do a transaction. You might as well wait with Bitcoin. It's like the same price to move your assets around, and the gas fees are just so expensive. So I mean, Ethereum is the second largest crypto. Maybe you should own one or two, but if you can, or a percentage. I don't own any Ethereum. Solana, guys, I love Solana. Solana, you can literally send, I don't know, $50,000 to somebody in Solana. It would cost like 50 cents or less than that even, maybe 10 cents. We'll dive into that. I love Solana. Polygon, listen, if you want a layer 2 on Ethereum, just get Metis. I'm not a fan of Polygon. Metis, as a matter of fact, if you want to own anything Ethereum based, I would probably just own Metis. So I'll just leave it at that. Chainlink, I love Chainlink, and we're going to talk about it on my top 5 right now. Okay, guys, Chainlink is my 5th best crypto on my top 5 list. You can see today's current price is $15. I think the target price of $40 in 2026 is very realistic. It hit $32 earlier this year. It dropped down like the rest of the market, but you know, the technology might be the best technology in crypto. When you're talking about, um, the real world assets, the RWAs, when you can tokenize things like tangible things like real estate, cars. I think Chainlink is one. It's a must own. Guys, Solana at 4 for me. Solana should be in everybody's portfolio. Let me move my little thingamajigger there. There we go. So current price right now is $150. It did hit almost 300. It's right now 150. My target's 450 in 2026. And it's a layer 1 blockchain, decentralized. It's really big with NFTs and metaverses and play to earn type games and stuff like that, and of course meme coins. Now you can get in trouble with meme coins. You can make a lot of money if you get into the Solana ecosystem and you have some money in Solana as part of the $1,000 thing we're talking about here. Take very little of the Solana allocation that you have and maybe dabble in some of the meme coins. Don't put a lot in there. Guys, you're going to need the Phantom wallet too, and it makes it real easy with your phone. Anybody can start trading. That little ghost that you see here on my screen, that's the icon or the logo for the Phantom wallet. Download that on your phone and start trading Solana now. Number 3 is going to be Sui. Sui is kind of like the cousin to Solana. It's a layer 1 blockchain, Web3. The price right now is $3.45. It was oversold recently, and it actually touched under $2, and it's made a nice little run in the last, 2 weeks to $3.45. I think this is a $20 coin in 2026. And, they have a large ecosystem that's being built up. They also have meme coins, if you guys like that, but always be careful with that. But Sui is on its way. Number 2, guys, is Curve Dao, CRV. This is basically a project. It's DeFi finance, and you could do yield farming, staking, lending. Right now, there's $1.6 billion in total value locked, TLV. That's what that means, TLV, total value locked. It's a huge project. It's got 100 million in volume right now. Today's price is 67 cents. This was like, $5 to $8 a few years ago. It's going back to $8, and it's probably going to double that from there. But I think my target price in 2026 is $8 all day long. It's a great project, everybody, and I recommend buying some. You can go on some centralized exchanges like Gemini and pick it up. I'll put a referral link in the description. Okay, man, here we are, Bitcoin. Everybody should own a Bitcoin. And listen, if you can somehow get one Bitcoin, I know it's a lot of money, get one. You can see what I have here. Target price next year, 150,000, whatever, who cares? Bitcoin by 2035 to 2040 will probably be $1 million. One Bitcoin will probably be $1 million within 10 years. And there's only 21 million that will ever be minted. There's billions of people on the planet. Even people that have 0.1 Bitcoin, which right now would be about $9,500, would be significant. So just stack some sats and chill, get some Bitcoin, and just sit back. You're going to be able to borrow money against this one day. You're going to be able to lend. You're going to be able to use it as collateral. It would be a great thing to hand down to future generations. Guys, there you have it. Top 5 cryptos to buy with $1,000. Listen, I can tell you to go, gamble and buy dog with hat or, unicorn farts and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that. Buy these coins that I recommend. Throw $1,000 in there. It'll probably, who knows? It'll probably double or triple in 12 months. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye, everybody.